Not sure if anybody has been interested in the Joker relocation kit or not. Or there's a couple of different other brands, but this is it on my America. The way the ignition comes out, the wire comes out of the bottom right here. So you have to turn the ignition upside down. I didn't like that, so I took the actual ignition apart and flipped the cap to let the wire come out of the top. But this is it on the America. As you know, it was back there. It just tightens with the horn bracket. I didn't use the spacers that came, the aluminum spacers that came with the bolts. But yeah, now it's not upside down anymore, and I won't have to turn the key left to turn the ignition on. Just thought somebody might like that, because it's not made for, this won't technically work with the America because the wiring harness, the connector, is back there, but I've rewired it, so just thought that might be interesting to some people.